Hi, this is Eva from Wudkwency Artistry. We got an idea of combining the two different products, and we came up with this idea. You can download the free printable scroll saw pattern with detailed instructions. Download link is available in the description. This is the gravity bird feeder combined with the deck lamp. In the daytime it will work as a bird feeder, and by the night it will light up your deck or patio with ambience. If you like this pattern, then give us a like and please subscribe to our channel to get the new content. Thanks for watching.